Good evening to all. Welcome to my channel. So this is SV EduTech. I'm SV Sudhir Kumar. So I'm happy to conduct this quiz. So I hope everyone are interested to participate in the quiz. So welcome to all. Once again, good evening. Right. Yes, good evening. So now today I'm going to conduct a quiz on third chapter of 10th class in physical science, that is refraction of light at plane surfaces. So these are multiple choice questions in this chapter, refraction of light at plane surfaces. Yes, welcome once again to all. So Kalpana and Shoaib and I don't know the name, the Free Fire gamer. Yes, namaste. So in this, there will be of 30 questions in this chapter. So, and that you have to enter your answers in a particular manner that already you know those who are attempted this quiz before. So that is question number, answer option, your name and the school name. So this is the example format I'm showing you. The question number, and if it is your option is C, you can type it as C, and your name is Sunil, you can type Sunil and the school name. So this is the format you have to enter your answers. So now let's start the quiz. This is the first question on your screen. We can see objects because of dash. We can see objects because of dash. So we are able to see the objects. So your options are A, reflection, B, refraction, C, transmission, and D, diffraction. So among these four options, which is the correct answer, so that we are able to see objects. So reflection, refraction, transmission, diffraction. So which is the correct option among these four? So is it A, B, C, or D? Yes, welcome Nikhil. Good evening. So I'm waiting for the options from you. So you just type your answers, whether it is A, reflection, B, refraction, C, transmission, D, diffraction. Yes, welcome Lamis and Sai Lakshmi typed reflection. So type your options. Yes, Rihan, good evening, Rihan, welcome. And Likita, welcome to the online quiz. I'm happy so that you are all participating here. Yes, even Shoaib is also typing the answer. Yes, he answered A. So I got answers from Sai Lakshmi, Lamiz, Likita, Shoaib, Nikhil, Kausar, Shifali, Sumangali, Sushmita, and Prudvi. Yes, now I'm revealing the answer It's A. Very good. Reflection. So A is a correct answer. Congratulations. I think all of you have typed the correct answer because the light from a source falls on an object and get reflected, and we will be seeing it with the help of our eyes. So reflection is the correct answer. Very good. Even I got answer from Satish. So now it's time for second question. So the velocity of light in vacuum is dash meter per second. So what is the velocity of light in vacuum? So now the options are, it's A 3 into 10 to the power of 8, option B 3 into 10 to the power of 12, option C 3 into 10 to the power of 10, and option D none of the above. So which is the correct answer? So the velocity of light in vacuum. So we can call it as the speed of light also. So what is the speed of light in vacuum or velocity? So 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second, or 3 into 10 to the power of 12 meter per second, 3 into 10 to the power of 10 meter per second, or none of the above. So you can just type question number 2, and if it is A, or B, B, or C, C, or D, D. You can type it. Yes, I got from, yes, Nikhil, you're the first, but now I got second one answer first from Sai Lakshmi and Kausar. So no problem. It's depend upon, no, even all are typing correct, but depends upon the poor connection. It's, don't worry. So no problem for that. Yes, I think all are typing the correct answers. Even Rihan, Sumangali, Nikhil, Mallishwari, Likita, Nikhil, Shoyab, yes, Aisha, yes. Now it's time for the answer. Yes, your options. So now coming to the next question, it's fourth one. The refractive index n is equal to, yes, sorry for the third one, and now it's on fourth. Refractive index n is equal to, and your options are A C by V, and B V by C, and C CV. So none of the above. So yes, third one. Yeah, wait, I'm going for the third one. So this is a third one. The absolute refractive index of any medium is always, absolute refractive index of any medium. So just due to for some technical issues, I got disconnected. So that's why I'm showing the third question again. So what is the answer for the third one? So is it less than 1 or greater than 1 or 0? So absolute refractive index of any medium. So a medium kaina absolute refractive index value less than 1 untada, 1 untada, greater than 1 na, 0 na. So what will be the answer for the third question? Yes, I know you all typed the answer for fourth, but due to the disconnection of the net, I lost the third question. So that's why I'm repeating the third question. So again, I will show you, again, we will go for the fourth. So this, please type the answer for the third. So I got answer from Lamis and Nikhil, Sai Lakshmi, Sumangali, Shushmita, Shoaib. Yes, now the answer is it's greater than 1. So option C is correct. So I think it's always greater than 1 month. So the absolute refractive index of any medium is always greater than 1. Now coming to the fourth one, so this will be So refractive index n is equal to, so refractive index n is equal to, so and the options are, so I think you already saw these options. So A, it will be C by V, and B, V by C, and C, C into V, and D, none of the above. I got answers for fourth one previously only from Satish, Sushmita, Arjun, Aisha, Nikhil, Rihan. I got answers from there for this. Yes. So refractive index N. So what is the value, what is the formula for refractive index N? So now the answer is yes, your options, what you type is correct. So A is correct. So congratulations. I think each and everyone typed this one as correct only. So refractive index N is equal to C by V. Now coming to the fifth question. So that is, swimming pools and the ocean look shallower than they really are due to. So swimming pools and the oceans look shallower than they really are due to. So what is the reason for that these swimming pools and ocean looking shallower than they really looking due to? So what is the correct option for this? Is it for due to reflection, or due to refraction, or due to dispersion, or due to total internal reflection? So what is the correct option for this? So as the swimming pools and the oceans, so what is the reason for this? Is it reflection, refraction, dispersion, or total internal reflection? Yes, I got option B, the first answer. Yes, I'm getting answers. Very good. So even though I'm getting late also, but I'm getting the correct answers. Very good. So now I'm revealing the answer. That is yes, your guess refraction is correct. So B is correct. Congratulations. Very good. Keep it up. Keep going on like this. Now coming to the sixth question. Light selects a path which takes least time to travel. So light selects a path which takes least time to travel. Hi TJ Royal. Yes, I think Jaisai. Yes, welcome Jaisai. So I'm happy to see all the old students are also participating. So now this light selects a path which takes least time to travel. So this was given by, yes, Jaisai, very good evening. Welcome to online quiz. If you are interested, please you can type it. I'm happy to see you all again. So light selects a path which takes least time to travel. So this was given by, so this principle was given by, whether it is Snell, Fermat, Newton, Hedge. So light selects a path which takes least time to travel. Yes, I'm getting the answers. It's Chennakesava, Likita, Lami, Shushmita, Aisha, Sumangali. So now I'm revealing the answer. Yes, yes, it's Fermat. Yes, it's called as Fermat's principle. So this is correct. Congratulations. Even this also a lot of members typed it correct only. Only few typed it wrong. No problem. Don't worry. So now coming to the next question. Which act as a screen in our eye? So which act as a screen in our eye? So is it iris? Is it pupil? Is it retina? Or none of the above? So which act as a screen? See, we already discussed everything we are able to see, it is due to reflection only. So the light from a source falls on an object, it gets reflects and falls on the eye. So that's we are able to see the object. I think this is the first question. It is the first question in this quiz. So yes, I'm getting correct answer. Actually, this is a question related to fifth chapter. So even though it is a fifth chapter also, this is a basic question. Very good. I'm getting correct answers from this. So now I'm revealing the answer. Yes, your guess, retina. It's retina. It is correct. Very good. Congratulations. Keep it up. Now coming to the next question. See, this retina act as a screen. If retina, the whatever may be the light falling on an object get reflected and falls on our eye, that is iris. So passing through that iris and pupil, it falls on the retina only. Very good. Now, units of refractive index. So what are the units of refractive index? So is it meter per second? Is it no units, kilometer per second, or joule? So what are the units of refractive index? So units of refractive index. So units of refractive index. Is it A, meter per second, B, no units, C, kilometer per second, D, joule? Dynamic creative arts. Yes, welcome dynamic creative arts. I don't know the name. Anyhow, welcome. So now I got answers from Jaisai, Kalpana, Likita, Kausar, Rihan, Aisha, Satish, Lamis. Yes. Yes, now I'm revealing the answer. Yes. Again, your guess, it's no units. Option B is correct. So refractive index is a dimensionless quantity. Refractive index is a dimensionless quantity. It has no units. Okay, very good. Because it is a ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium. So the ratios means it gets cancelled. That's why it has no units. Very good. Now coming to the next question. According to Willy Bode Snell, light passing from air to glass will cause the light to. Means according to Snell, you already know about Snell's law. So light passing from air to glass, air to glass. So when it is moving from air to glass, it causes the light to speed increases or speed decreases, speed remains constant, or none of the above. Oh, it's Tejomai. So good evening, ma. Welcome to online quiz. So I'm happy to see you are also participating. So now the answer for the ninth question. So light passing from air to glass. So if you know that which medium, then definitely you will guess the answer. So speed increases, speed decreases, speed is constant, none of the above. So I got answers. Yes, good. So air is rarer medium, glass is denser medium. So from rarer to denser. So what happens to the speed? Yes, your option absolutely correct. Speed decreases. So very good. So option B is correct. Speed decreases means when coming from rarer to denser, due to the change in speed only, it takes bend. So that means its speed decreases. Very good, very good. So 10th one. So the process of changing speed when light travels from one medium to another medium. So definitely you will tell the correct answer. No need for waiting for the options also. I hope you will all type the correct option only. So it's reflection, refraction, dispersion, none of the above. So the process of changing speed, just now we discussed that when it is moving from one medium to another medium, speed changes. So what that phenomenon called as? Yes, good evening, Ma Indu. Welcome to the quiz. So yes, I got answer from Lamis, Sai Lakshmi, the two persons who typed the first. Very good. So the process of changing speed from one medium to another medium. So what we call that phenomenon as? So it is definitely it's refraction only. Yes. So only one typed it wrong, no problem. So you will be correct. it again, don't worry. So the process of changing speed when light travels from one medium to another medium is called refraction. So now coming to the next question, it's when light hits an area and bounces back. So a light from a source is hitting an area and it is bouncing back. So what is called as? Is it called as reflection, refraction, total internal reflection? None of the above. So what we call this as? So when light hitting an area and it bounces back. So what we call this phenomenon as? So the 11th one. So is it reflection, refraction, total internal reflection? None of the above. So yes, I got answer from Lamis, Sai Lakshmi. So light hitting an area and just bounces back. Yes, again all are typing correct answers only. Very good. So now it's time for revealing the answer. Yes, your answer is correct. So I'm happy so that each and everyone are typing the correct answers and that too with accuracy. Accurately you are typing. So with perfection and perfect timing. Very good. Keep it up. So now coming to the next question. Which would you rather walk on barefoot if the sun is out all day long? So which would you rather walk on barefoot without any slippers, shoes and all those things? If the sun is out all the day, so which you walk, where you walk? Grass, sand at the beach, blacktop, concrete sidewalk. So where you walk with barefoot? సో మీ పాదాలతో ఎండ ఎక్కువగా ఉన్నప్పుడు ఎక్కడ నడచడానికి మీరు ఇష్టపడతారు? గడ్డి పైన, శాండ్, బ్లాక్ టాప్, కాంక్రీట్ సైడ్ వాక్. సో ఎస్, I got answer from Lamis, Aisha, Jaisai, Prudvi Nayak, Nikhil, Rehan, Kausar, Satish, Dinesh, Indu, Sumangali, Sai Lakshmi, Shushmita, Jaisai, Kalpana, Likita. Yes. Again, your option is correct. So A is correct, ma. Very good. Congratulations. Each and everyone are typing the correct answers. Very good. Your guesses are correct. Now this question, light travels through air, water, glass and many other materials. So light travels through all these materials. What path does it travel to get from one place to another? So what is the path? Whether it is going in a sideways, back and forth, straight, up and down. So in which path light travel to go from one place to another? So one medium to another medium. In which way? So what is the path? Whether its path is sideways, back and forth, straight, up and down. Yes, I got answer from Lamis, Aisha, Vinesh, Jaisai, Sai Lakshmi, Kausar, Channakesava, it's I think Indu, Nikhil, Prudvi Nayak, Shushmita, Kalpana, yes, Rihan, Jaisai, yes. Now I'm revealing the answer. Yes, again it's correct. It's C only. So very good. So C is correct, ma, your option. So it always travels in straight line path only. So very good. So now coming to the next question. When light hits a barrier, that means it is a solid or liquid. What is usually created? Means when light is falling on an object which is a solid and which we call it as an opaque object, what is created? So is it a shadow or a hot object or a cold object or nothing? So what is created? So what is created, ma? Is it a shadow or hot object or cold object or nothing? So what is here creating? So when light hits a barrier that is solid or opaque object, means which light does not travel through that is not passing through that. So yes, I getting answers. Yes, it's answers I'm getting from Aisha, Rihan, Prithvi, Nikhil. Very good. How fast you are. Very good. Very good. Yes, definitely you get a shadow. So A is correct, ma. Very good. So now coming to the next question. So solar cooker works on the principle of. So you all know about solar cooker. So it works on the principle of the refraction, dispersion, reflection, none of the above. So what is the principle that which solar cooker works? So refraction, dispersion, reflection, none of the above. So during summer season, we also use nowadays we are also some few members are using solar water heaters also. So solar cookers and all this. So which principle involves in the working of a solar cooker? So whether it is refraction, dispersion, reflection, none of the above. So what is that? Yes, I got answer from Sai Lakshmi, Prithvi Nayak, Lamis, Nikhil, Shushmita, Aisha, Kausar. Yes, definitely. So few members are typing wrong answers. So think it once again. Solar cooker works on the principle. So now I'm revealing the answer. It's reflection because so the cooker is built in such a way that the light when which falls and get reflected and all the reflected light falls on a focus. The focus is a place where there is a place to place the bowl or a vessel. So reflection is the correct answer. So option C is correct, ma. Okay, reflection. So this is a principle because all the light coming from the source falling on the mirror and get reflected and comes converges at a point called as focus. At that focus point only the bowl is placed. So reflection is the correct answer. It is not refraction. So maybe you got confused that due to the refraction chapter. So that's why you typed refraction, few members. But remaining all members typed correct only. Very good. Keep it up. Now coming to the next question. Refractive index of diamond. So what is the refractive index of diamond? Is it 2.41, 2.42, 2.43, 2.3? So refractive index of diamond. So what is the refractive index of diamond? Is it 2.41, 2.42, 2.43, 2.3? Because these are very important questions because they ask you they will give you some values of refractive indices and they will ask you which medium light is speed and in which medium light is low, like that. Yes, I got answers from Sai Lakshmi, Lamis, Shushmita, Nikhil, Aisha. Yes, definitely. A lot of members are typing the correct answers. So instead of waiting for some more time, I can reveal the answer because all are typing the correct answer only. Yes, it's 2.42. So option B is correct. So 2.42 is the refractive index of diamond. So coming to the next question. Oh, sorry. Sorry for the 17th question. I got some problem in that. I will tell you afterwards. Now see this question. So which color shirt would you rather wear outside on a sunny 90 degrees day? So which color shirt would you wear outside? So sorry for that question. Please look at this question. So I have some technical issues there. So answer this question, please. So which color shirt you prefer to wear when it is a sunny, means it's hot? You prefer white, you prefer black, or you prefer blue? None of the above. So yes, I got this is the 18th question. So some technical error for this. Yes, I take it as only 18th only. Yes, it's option A from you are typing. Okay. So which color shirt you prefer? So when it is hot, you will prefer whether you prefer white, you prefer black, you prefer blue, or none. So don't say that none means we won't wear a shirt, because and a lot of girls are there. Sir, we don't wear shirt like that. You don't tell. So if it is the, you even you can wear a chudidar also. It's your wish. So which type of dress you will wear? White, black, blue, or none of the above? So yes, it's white. Yeah, yeah, very good. So option A is correct. So white will not absorb more light, whereas black absorbs. So just white is the correct answer. Yes, very good. Now coming to the next. Light does not bend when it is passing through. So light does not bend. So it is passing through rarer to denser, or it is passing at normal, or it is passing at denser to rarer. None of the above. So when light does not bend, so is it from rarer to denser or denser to rarer? Normal, none of the above. So which is the correct answer? So is it A, B, C, or D? So light does not bend. Light does not bend. So I got answers from Sai Lakshmi, Lamis, Shushmita, Likita, Aisha. Yes, definitely light does not bend when it is passing through normal. So except the definition of refraction is that the process of bending of light ray except when it is incident normally. So yes, normal. It's correct. B is correct, ma. So when light is passing at normal, it does not bend. Okay, right, very good. Now coming to the next. Refractive index is denoted with the letter. So what is the letter that which refractive index depends? So is it depends upon the refractive index N, or it depends R, or it depends I, or none of the above? So what is the symbol that which the refractive index depends on? So the refractive index symbol, sorry, not depends on, symbol. So which symbol it is? Is it N? Is it R? Is it I, or none of the above? So please click on like button also, please. So yes, I get lot of answers. Now I'm revealing the answer. Yes, it's N. So refractive index depends upon, sorry, refractive index is denoted with A. So it's A. Refractive index is denoted with N. If you go for higher classes, there you can get new symbol. It will be just like U. Okay, yes. Now coming to the next question. Ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium is called. So what we call that as? Ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium. Refractive, is it absolute refractive index, or relative refractive index, or total internal reflection, or none of the above? So ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium. Speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium. So what we call this as? Is it absolute refractive index, relative refractive index, total internal reflection, or none of the above? So yes, Rihan, I didn't get the answer from you. Lamis, Sai Lakshmi, Aisha, Sushmita, Prithvi, Sumangali. Yes, please click on like button also when you are typing the answer. Along with that, please click on like button. Now it's time to reveal the answer. It's absolute refractive index. So A ma, A is correct answer ma, because speed of light in vacuum is c and speed of light in medium is v. N is equal to c by v, where n is absolute refractive index. Option B is relative refractive index. This relative refractive index is the ratio of refractive index of second medium to the refractive index of first medium. So absolute refractive index is the correct answer. Okay, no problem. I think you all understand this concept. So now onwards, you don't forget this. So absolute refractive index is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium. Whereas relative refractive index is, it is the ratio of refractive index of second medium to the refractive index of first medium. N2 by N1, N21 that we discussed. Okay. Right. Now coming to the next question. Speed of light is high in, so where the speed of light is high? In water, in ice, in air, or in diamond? So where the speed of light is high? Air, ice, water, or diamond? So where the speed of light is high? So the speed of light is high in water, ice, air, diamond. Where it is? Yes, Aisha, Sumangali, Lamiz, Sai Lakshmi. Sorry. So yes, I'm getting answers. Harita, Likita, Prithvi Nayak. Yes, now it's time to leave. Yes, your answer air. C is correct, ma. So air, the value of refractive index of air is very low than when compared to water and ice and diamond. So where the refractive index is low, there the speed of light is high. Okay, very good. Now coming to the next question. When a straw is placed in a glass of water, why does the straw appear to be bent? So if you place a straw in a glass of water, why does the straw appear to be bent? When you look from the outside, you can see the bent of straw. Why? Is light reflected? Is light refracted? Is light turned? Or is light absorbed? So what is the reason for this? So is it reflection, refraction, turn, or absorb? So when you place a straw, so in your textbook there is a pencil. So now here it is about a straw. So when you keep a straw, then you will be finding that there is a bend in that. So why? What is that? Yes, I got answer. Option B. They are typing refraction, and Sai Lakshmi typed total internal reflection. Harita, B, Shushmita, Sai Lakshmi, Sumangali, Prudvi Nayak. Yes, now I'm revealing the answer. It's refraction, ma. So it's option B, ma. Light is refracted. So because refraction only, we can see the bending of a pencil, bending of straw, all this happen, raised in coin. No problem, ma. Don't worry. In big countries, small mistakes happens. Don't worry about that. Yes, now it's time for the next question. That's the medium which has more optical density. So density is more in which medium? Rarer medium, denser medium, normal, none of the above. So which medium? The medium which has more optical density. So there is one sentence also there. That is all. That if you know that, then you will be able to find this answer for this question. So rarer, denser, normal, none of the above. The medium which has more optical density. So answer for the 24th one I got from Ramesh Prudvinayak Streamer. Kausar, Likita, Dinesh, Aisha, Kalpana, Indu, Harika, Harita, Sumangali, Prudvinayak. Yes, now it's time for revealing the answer. Yes, denser. It's correct, ma'am. B is correct. So optically denser medium means optically more denser. It will be denser medium only. So even we discuss about the kerosene and water. So water is more denser than kerosene. So less density for kerosene. Kerosene floats on water. Even ice also having low density, it just float on water. But the refractive index of ice is less than that of refractive index of water. Okay. Yes. Now coming to the next question. When light passes from air to water, what happens to the speed of the light? So before we have discussed about air to glass. Now here air to water. It speed up, slow down, same speed, none of the above. So what happened to the speed of the light? So it speeds up, slows down, same speed, none of the above. So light passing from air to water. So rarer to denser. So air is rarer, water is denser. So what happens to the speed of the light? Whoa. Till I didn't get any answers. Yes, changes, decreases from Sai Lakshmi, Lamis, Aisha, Indu, Harika, Prithvinayak, Dinesh, Likita, Kausar, Kalpana. Yes, very good. Yeah, it slows down only. Sorry, ma Sumangali, it's wrong, ma. It slows down, ma. Speeds up, not it slows down. So option B is correct. So when coming from air to water means rarer to denser. So speed changes. So that means it decreases. The previous one question is also there that from air to glass also we discussed that. Now coming to the next question. Speed of light in vacuum is denoted with. So this is not the value, it is the symbol. So what is the symbol that it's denoted with? Is it N? Is it C? Is it V? Or none of the above? Speed of light in vacuum. Speed of light in vacuum. It is denoted with either N, C, V, none of the above. Speed of light. Yes. Yes, I got answer from Lakshmi. Only one. Yeah. So Shushmita, option B, Kausar, Dinesh. So Indu, Lamis, Aisha, Kalpana, Likita, Arjun, Rehan, Harika. Yes. Yes. Your guess is right. C. It's not option C, option B. It's correct, man. So answer is C, option is B. So B contains C. Okay, very good. Now coming to the next question. Refractive index of air. So what is the refractive index of air? So 2.42, 1.0003, 1.33, none of the above. So yes, what is the refractive index of air? Refractive index of air. So I think we have discussed the value of diamond also. Even I told about the value of water and ice also. So if you know that, then you'll definitely answer this. Refractive index of air. So yes, I got the answers. It's 2.42 or 1.0003 or 1.33, none of the above. Yes, right. Now I'm revealing the answer. Yes, your guess B is right. So it's correct, ma. Option B 1.0003 because diamond is 2.42, water is 1.33, and none of the above. And which is left there? B 1.0003. So your answer 1.0003 is right. So the refractive index of air is 1.0003. Yes, very good. Congratulations. Now coming to the next question. You look your image on mirror. So you're able to see the image of yours on mirror. So what is the reason for that? So which principle is there? So which phenomenon we can call it as? It's corrective. Is it refraction, reflection, total internal reflection, or none of the above? So which is responsible for the image of yours on a mirror? So, or else you can say that image is formed on the mirror due to. Is it due to refraction? Is it due to reflection? Is it due to total internal reflection? Is it due to none? Yes, I got answer from Sai Lakshmi. Yes. Lamis, Indu, Harita, Aisha, Dinesh, Sushmita, Kalpana, Prudvi, Likita, Sarika, Shifali, Prudvi Nayak, Arjun, Kausar. Yes, definitely. Again, your answer B is right. Teju. Okay, now it's option B. Ma. So because it is due to the reflection only. See, when light from a source falls on an object, get reflected. And also one question also is that just light hitting an area and it bounces back. So mirror having a plane surface, when it falls on that, it gets reflected. So that reflection is main responsible for the image formation on the mirror. Okay, yes, your guess and your answer is right. Now coming to that next, refractive index does not depend on. So what are the factors that refractive index depends? If you know that, then you know this on what factors does means which does not depend means refractive index does not depend. And the options are nature of the material, frequency, wavelength, none of the above. Refractive index does not depend on. So yes, I got answer from Lamis, Sai Lakshmi, Harita. So refractive index does not depend on. Yes. Without wasting the time, I'm revealing the answer. Yes, it's frequency. Yes, your answer is right. So it's frequency, man. Because refractive index depends on nature of the material and wavelength. So as this refractive index depends, then frequency does not depend. So refractive index does not depend on frequency. Okay. So very good, correct answer. And the last question of this session. So it's very fastly. I completed 29 questions. So now coming to the last question. What do we call a material that light can travel through? So when a light is traveling through any material, so what we call that material as? Is it a medium? Is it a pathway? Is it air or it is water? So the last question of this live session. So what do we call a material that light can travel through? So when light is traveling through any material, what we call that material as? We call it as medium, we call it as pathway, we call it as air, we call it as water. Yes, I got answers from Sai Lakshmi, Lamis, only two. Yes, Indu, Kausar, Aisha, Shushmita, Prudvi Nayak, Dinesh, Likita, Harita, A option. Yes, Kalpana, Harika. Yes, now this option, what you typed, option A, it is the correct answer because it is a medium. So option A is right. So medium, we call that medium as a medium where the light is traveling, that as a medium. So this is about 30 questions, multiple choice questions from the third chapter. And I'm very happy. Lot of members have typed correct answers. You just check it out once your answers and please type me, message me how many of you scored out of 30. I'm very happy that nearly most of you can more than 25 or 28 also, even few members got 30 out of 30 also, I think so. So please type your score in the comment section and please like this and share this and even do subscribe if anybody doesn't subscribe yet. Maybe you all subscribed only, because if you subscribe only you are able to participate it. And just share this to your friends, and I hope you liked it. So I will type that 17th question because I got that maybe some technical issue. Okay, yes, Sai Lakshmi. So I got 28. Very good. 30, 28. So one question I didn't ask that. So I will let me see that 17th question. Let me ask that also. So wait. Yeah. The 17th question is speed of light in rarer medium. So this is the 17th question. Now I'm asking that only. Speed of light in rarer medium. So this is the 17th question. Those who forgot that 17th question, please see this. Speed of light in rarer medium. I think any one member typed the answer. Instead of seeing the options only, they type the answers. If not, I am correct. So speed of light in rarer medium. Yes, speed of light in rarer medium. Is it low? Is it normal? Is it medium? Or is it high? So I got answers from all are typing that Prithvi Naik, high, Babajan, Harika, Harita. Yes, it's D. Yes, your option is right. So now you can cross check it and then you just type that. So I'm happy that you all are participated very enthusiastic, very eagerly. I'm also waiting for this. I hope you all liked it, you enjoyed it. Even if you are showing the same interest, I'm planning to conduct quiz on other chapters also. So I'm planning to conduct every week. So due to some poor connection of the net, I got some disturbance last time. Yes, please post your answers along with your name in the comment section. Don't no problem. So I'm planning to conduct a quiz on Ramayanam also. If everything is good, then I will conduct that also weekly twice. I think so. I want your support. So only few members are participating. So I don't want to disgrace you. Even with this number also, I can continue it. So Zoom, it's difficult for me to conduct because if I do the quiz on YouTube, then it will be helpful for me as increase in watch hour and increase in subscribers. And even I can post this for some other students also. But if I conduct in Zoom, I don't know how to record it and all those things. So that's why please support this. And if you show this interest, even I'm going to conduct quiz on Ramayanam also. So I want your support. So I hope you will support me. Please subscribe from your mobiles, your parents' mobiles. I think you have done it. Please share this and meet you with the next quiz. Yes, ma. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot for your support and response also. Okay, now I will meet you in the next week. If possible, I will inform you by conducting the quiz. Actually, before all that only, I want to start this online classes in Zoom only, online classes, maybe like tuitions like that from first onwards. If you just support me, you just inform to your friends. And meanwhile, I'm going to start Ramayanam lessons. Then I will conduct a quiz. Okay. Thank you. Bye for now. Take care. Please stay home. Stay safe. Bye.